Hello, first grade family and grown-ups. I am creating this video so you will know the items that you are picking up in your distance learning materials. I will try not to make you sick with my camera. The first thing I included in there was a pack of markers. I still have a pack of markers at school, so I wanted to send these ones home for you. You will also find in there a composition notebook. I sent this home. With this year, how things have been, we are not going to use it how we normally use it, but I am sending it so that if your student needs paper to write on or draw on or just paper, that they have it. So there might be times where in morning meeting that we do a drawing or they want to write something down. This could be their paper to do that with. The next thing you will find in the bags is their Christmas gift from me. So know that I am meaning for the candy cane for them to use it as a word pointer as they go ahead and read their books. So there's their Merry Christmas. The next bag that you will find will include multiple things. It's going to have a glue stick that your first grader might need to complete some of these projects, so I sent an extra thing of glue. You are also going to find construction paper and materials to make a Grinch. That activity is going to be coming at the last week before Christmas break. You will also find materials in there for a reindeer project that we will be doing the last week before winter break. And then the very last thing that you are going to find in there is a writing packet, which is going to be for our penguin research in January. So you're going to find a penguin book with facts. There's going to be multiple things in here, so please keep them all together. There's going to be a predator sheet. There's going to be what penguins eat sheet separate. There's going to be a page for writing, front and back. There's also going to be a writing rubric. And then inside of it will be a penguin research journal. You will not be needing that until later into January. So my suggestion for this bag is to keep all of these items in here until you need them. The Grinch and the reindeer activity you will need the last week before a winter break, and we will give you a heads up when you need the penguin packet to start our penguin writing. The next thing you are going to find in your bag is going to be your red reading folder. I have included in here a portable word wall for your student. It includes all of the sight words that we will be covering in first grade. On the back, you will see a page that covers their kindergarten sight words, color words, and the number words. So this is a tool that can be used for your student when they are doing their writing. Also a word family book that we worked on before when we were in school before things changed. So that one can be taken out of the red folder. And then there is probably a paper book in there. So these two items can be taken out of your red folder and used for later. Your writing word wall I would keep in. The next side of your folder there are going to be a pack of six sight word cards, one for each week. What I would do to plan for the week is pull out one set and put them in there. You are also going to find 6 popcorn words. Again, you're going to need one book for each week. You are then going to find your December and on the back January nonsense words. We did get word that FAST testing will be happening in January. These are the words that you are going to want to be practicing for that assessment. They are nonsense words. All of the words have short vowels. So you will find that sheet. I would keep that sheet in the red reading folder. You are going to find their uppercase handwriting. And then you will find Unit 4 and Unit 5 benchmark journals. What I would do to get yourself ready for a week is put in their Unit 4 benchmark journal. You're going to put in their handwriting pack. I would put in the nonsense words, one popcorn book, and then the first set of sight word cards. They are in order. So that would be what the red reading folder would look like to be ready for next week. The next thing you are going to find in your bag is a yellow folder. Sorry, I'm trying to do all this one-handed. Inside your yellow math folder, you are going to find the workbook pages for shapes. I'm just going to have you keep that in your plastic bag. If we have time for the shapes chapter, we will go back. In the yellow math folder should be their math workbook. It is workbook A. And then on the right side, there are their addition and subtraction books. There is a card for them to practice writing their numbers. They have dry erase markers and an eraser in their pencil box. Then there is a 120s chart, which also has activities to do on the back, reminding your first grader that we are not writing on this page. You can do the activities on the back, but we're not going to write on this copy. So for math, there is also a card in there that has counting videos. I don't know that I got through to everybody for their current counting level. Some people's might be where you are, others I ran out of time before we switched from hybrid to distance learning. So it's up to you if you want to use this one or not. Some of you have counting by twos, some of you have fives, tens, whatever you're still working on. So your math folder should look like this. Now, my suggestion to you, any of the items that you're not using currently in a week, like that, and then also the packet with the penguin writing should be put back into the big Ziploc bag so that when you need those items, you can restock your yellow and red folder. I hope this was helpful for you. If you still have questions, you can feel free to contact me on Friday. Thank you for your time.